Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, assistant teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss the poem Seeing Things. Students, firstly, I will tell you that about the poet of this poem. The poet of this poem is Eugene Field. Okay, the poet of this poem is Eugene Field. It means Eugene Field has composed this poem which is Seeing Things. So, let's start the class. I aren't afraid of snakes or toads, or bugs, or worms, or mice, and things that others are scared of, I think are awful nice. So, what is the meaning of first stanza? In this poem, firstly, I will tell you that in this poem, the poet is describing about some creatures that are roaming in his room. So, which creature? You can see bug, you can see toad, you can see mice, and you can also see the snake. Okay, the poet is describing about these creature in this poem. So the poet said that I aren't afraid of snakes or toads or bugs or worms or mice. Okay, the poet says that he has no fear of snakes, toads, bugs, worms and mice. And things that others are scared of, I think are awful nice. What is the meaning of third line? And things that others are scared of. The poets said that other person has fear, other person had fear about these creatures, but I had no fear. I think these creatures are very nice. What is the meaning of awful nice? Awful nice means very nice. Okay, good. I think these creatures are very nice. Other people has fear, but I think that these creatures are very good. Now next stanza is I am pretty brave, I guess, and yet I have to go to bed. For when I am tucked up warm and snug, and when my prayers are said, Mother tells me, happy dreams. So what is the meaning of this stanza? I am pretty brave. The poet says that he is very brave. Brave means a person who has no fear, जिसे किसी भी प्रकार कोई डर नहीं होता है, that is brave. Okay, and in the beginning of the poem I have told you that the poet has no afraid of these creatures. So the poet is very brave. And yet I have to go to bed. Now the poet is saying that it is a time to go to bed. Okay, for when I am tucked up warm and snug and when my prayers are said. Okay, जब मैं tucked up warm and snug, okay, ब्लैंकेट लेकर okay अपने आप को कवर कर लेता हूँ ब्लैंकेट से. एंड व्हेन माई प्रेयर्स आर सेड, और जब मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना कर लेता हूँ. आफ्टर दैट माई मदर विश्ड मी हैप्पी ड्रीम्स. ओके, just like your mother wished you good night, happy dreams, sweet dreams, like that the mother of the poet also wished him happy dreams and takes away the light. After that she switched off all the lights of his room and leaves me alone, all alone. Now the poet is alone in the room and seeing things at night, and he is free to see all the things of the room. Sometimes they are in the corner, sometimes they are by the door. Now the poet is saying that they are. Who are they? Who they are these creature. Okay, he is describing about these creatures. So they are these creature. He is saying that sometimes these creatures are in the corner. Students, just like the corner of this book, okay, and corner of the room, he can see these creature. Also sometimes they are on the door. Sometimes they are all are standing. What is the meaning of standing? Standing means stand hona. Okay, sometimes they are in the corner, sometimes they are on the door, sometimes they are stand in the middle of the floor. Okay, so poet is describing that these creatures are in the corner, maybe in the corner, maybe on the door, and also you can see these creatures in the middle of the floor. Now let's move to the next page. Sometimes they are sitting down, sometimes they are walking around so softly and so creepy like they never make a sound. And sometimes they are as black as ink and other times they are white. But the color aren't no different when you see things at night. Now the poet is saying that you can see these creatures are sometimes are sitting down. Okay, you can see these creatures under your bed, sometimes they are walking around all the room. Okay, these creatures are walking very softly and they didn't make any sound. Now the sometimes they are as black as ink. Okay, they poet is saying that they are black in color just like a ink, and other times they are white. Other times they are white means you can see at the day times the color of these creature can be white, but the color aren't no different when you see at night. लेकिन बेटा जब आप ऐसे क्रिएचर्स को जब आप नाइट में देखते हैं, सो द कलर आंट नो डिफरेंट. ओके, तो इनका कोई भी कलर डिफरेंट नहीं होता है. ओके, जस्ट लाइक suppose that you have a white mouse. Okay, you have a white mouse. When you see it in the day, the color of the mouse you can see as white, but when you see this white mouse in the darkness of night, you can see the color of the white mouse is black. So it means color has no difference when you see at the things at night. So this poem is composed by Eugene Field. Okay, what is the meaning of creepy like? Creepy like means moving without a sound. Okay, moving